National Commission for Allied Healthcare Professions Bill. A bill to set up a commission for regulating and prescribing uniform education standards for allied and healthcare professions was approved by Parliament, with Lok Sabha giving a nod to the legislation by a voice note on Wednesday. The National Commission for Allied and Healthcare Professions Bill 2021 seeks to provide for regulation and maintenance of standards of education and services by allied and healthcare professionals. The bill has already been passed by the Rajya Sabha last week. Replying to a debate on the bill, Union Health Minister Harshvardhan said the legislation is aimed at fulfilling the long pending demands of the sector and enhance employment opportunities for professionals. The paramedics and allied healthcare workers are a critical part of the medical profession, and their contribution is similar to doctors, if not more. The group of allied professionals is large, and the bill is trying to regulate this field by providing dignity to their roles, he said. Recalling the role played by the paramedics and allied healthcare workers, lab technicians, radiographers, dietitians during the COVID-19 pandemic, the minister said that they played a very critical role in recovery of patients. This landmark bill is going to regulatory structure and ensure registration of 50 such allied healthcare professions, he said, adding that this will make healthcare a multidisciplinary system with patient in focus. The minister said the bill aims to establish the statutory body or commission that frames policies and standards, regulate professional conduct and qualifications for allied healthcare professionals, beside providing uniformity of service standards across the institutions. The chairman and vice chairman of the body will be selected for 2 years, and they would be eligible for re-nomination for further 2 norms. Dr. Vardhan said all the standards have been coded by the international yardsticks, and there will be representations from all the states and union territories on this commission, with each state having state level commissions. So he said this will be enhancing their standard and skill. A common regulator has been prepared for all allied professionals. This will enable a team based approach to patient care, he said. This bill provides a regulation and maintenance of standards of education and services by the allied healthcare professionals, assessment of institutions, maintenance of a central and district register, and creation of a system to improve research and development and adoption of the latest scientific advancement. The allied and healthcare professions include a wide range of workers for diagnosis, evaluation, and treatment acute and chronic diseases. These professions also work to optimize patient outcomes and attend to overall prevention, promotion, wellness, and management of diseases. According to the statement of objects and the reasons of the bill, the advancement in the health sector, changing preferences of consumers and service providers, had warranted creation of a fresh vision of healthcare delivery with a patient centric approach and focus on moving to a multidisciplinary team based care. Reporter Bhumika Bansal, Country and Politics.